So next question is from Mr. Jahaziv Kamal. Okay, I want to clarify something that sometimes people don't give their data. Sometimes I don't even have their name, so you have to bear with me.
Okay.
Okay. The question is, which Python library or framework is the most common use that serves the purpose in artificial general intelligence and why? Does it make any
Well, there
sense?
are many frameworks. I mean, this is a technical question for Dr. Yasser, right? Who's the artificial intelligence head in our department, right? So you can ask this question from him when he's there, because he's the one who is developing all the solutions for us as per my specification, right? There are, if you understand Python, and our emphasis is on Python teaching you, right, in AI ops, and you understand Bash. These are the core key languages that you need to understand. If one of them is scripting, the other one is a proper language. The third one is going to be a natural language of AI. So if you can harness these things, I don't see any need for any other language that you need to learn. Because if you even if there is a new language like a Go or whatever the case is, right? Or even there are new different frameworks or libraries or whatever the case is, for the open source systems, when we are developing systems, and in our, like, if I give you an example of us, we are completely relying on open source technologies. We're using whatever framework we can get our hand on. So for example, for dubbing, we are using Whisper is a model by it's one of the libraries that basically whatever I'm speaking right now, it is transcribing in real time. So it's a solution that we have created. So even if I'm talking in Urdu or English, अगर मैं उर्दू इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ, वो मेरी सारी स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा है. It is just writing all the scripts. वो सब लिखता चला है, लिखता चला जा रहा है, लिखता चला जा रहा है. And then it can convert that script into Spanish script or French script. This is how, we started selling our courses in France, in French. So whatever I'm speaking in Urdu or in English, it is converting that into a script, and then it is basically utilizing Azure services, cloud services, to select the best language available, and then it is dubbing it. So for every different purpose, there's a different framework. There's a different libraries that you have to use. It depends on the framework. It depends on the context. It depends on the use case that you're using for, right? So we are using different libraries for even for internally for us. For autonomous purposes, there are different libraries. For cybersecurity, there are different libraries, right? We are using a combination of Elasticsearch, Kibana, and many other things, right? Grafana and whatever libraries it is available, and we're infusing it with AI and asking AI to and continuously analyze the data. So every use case has a different library. There's no one size fits all library or framework. So you have to pick and choose whatever you are trying to do or trying to accomplish, right? But you can post this question in a much more detailed manner. But you need to know and like ask the context. Like, what is the context? You want to know the best library or the best framework for creating a AI solution for medicine industry, or for automation like automotive, or for aeronautical. It all depends. Every industry has a different use case, and every use case requires a different library or framework to get it achieved.